In today's video, I'm gonna quickly show you how to disable this annoying wallpaper advertisement or ads that keep showing up on your wallpaper of your Samsung Galaxy device, just like mine in here. This is pretty annoying, and as you can see in here, every time I keep on locking my phone and unlock, I keep on getting a different advertisement in here, and it actually asks me to tap on here to hop into this website or ad right here. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about this annoying wallpaper ads, which are also known as wallpaper services or glance, which is a feature from Samsung themselves that help us getting ads here on our main wallpaper lock screen. Now, this is pretty annoying, and many people have been facing this on different Galaxy devices. In my case, I've gotten here a Galaxy A55, but if you have a different one, do not worry, the process is exactly the same, and this will work for you as well. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the tutorial right here. So first things first, the very first thing in here that we need to do is go straight into settings here on your Samsung Galaxy device. So once you're here on settings, the next thing you need to do is simply scroll down all the way to wallpaper and style. Okay, you want to tap once on wallpaper and style, and next up the process is very simple. All you need to do is tap on change wallpapers right here. Next up, you just need to scroll down all the way to wallpaper and services option in here. So you need to tap on this tab in order to open up the settings of the wallpaper and services that we've got in here in our Samsung Galaxy Android device. Next up, we simply need to disable this option, which is known as glance on Samsung. So for example, if I tap here on settings, as you can see, we've got in here a few customizable options for the advertisement. In case you don't want to turn it off, you can customize it in here in order to set up the preferences that you wish to have. But in order to disable, all you need to do is simply tap on none. Okay, so you won't receive any specific ad. Next up, you need to tap here on apply to make sure that this saves, and then as you can see, I'm heading back into my lock screen. Let me quickly lock my phone. I'm gonna unlock it, and boom, here we go. We do not have any advertisement anymore or any wallpaper service showing up in here. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and if this video really helped you, do like the video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.